Jod bura ma Kenya Kwanza mawuok e kaunti ma Kirinyaga oseyo Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kuom ng'anyo mageto jiwo jopiny ni kik chul osuru ne sirikal. Jaod bura ma Kirinyaga Central Gashogi Gitari olero ni ng'anyo mag Azimio ni kod paro ma ok ber ne dongruok mar Kenya. Okone sirikal mondo mi jo Kenya mijing'o ni arita margi ni kare kendo ohelni magi ok bi kethore e ng'anyo mobagigo.
We will not allow you to destroy our businesses. We will not allow you to destroy and stop education programs in our county, as we want to continue working. And we want to tell Raila, you cannot achieve a different result using the same methods and the same approaches. We are used to your demonstrations, and it's so unfair that there are people who are mourning the country that they have lost their sons and daughters out of this maandamano.
On the economy, you cannot change the economy by doing maandamano. The day you tell people not to go to work in Nairobi, watu wetu wamekomboa maduka huko, kuna watu wameajiriwa. When they don't go to work, they are still paying rent. When they don't go to work, staff are still being paid. When they don't go to work, Matatu's business comes down. You are spoiling the economy more. We will not let you bring our businesses down. That one I can assure you, not disprice our students, our pupils. They must go to school.